My name is Brent. Welcome to a tutorial video. We're going to be going over a doubles trick today called the fountain, and here is a preview of what that looks like. So this trick is, as you can see, two around the worlds. A regular around the world followed closely by a reverse around the world with the alternating hand. Here's what it looks like on the other side. To start off, you need to know how to do around the world, both regular and reverse with both hands, so that is a prerequisite for this trick. You want to start off with a reverse figure eight on one side, bring it up around the back of your head, and then you end with a forwards figure eight on the other side. So with my dominant hand, I'm starting with my right hand on my right side here. I'm swooping it down and around. It becomes a backwards figure eight on the other side, and then I bring it up back behind my head. For the reverse around the world, the best way for me to describe this is it's kind of a shoulder roll that you hold on to. So you start bringing it up around the back of your shoulder, and instead of letting it go and having it fly across the back of your body, you hold on to it, bring your hand up over your head, kind of like a windshield wiper motion. And you want to do these with both of your hands. So your arms will kind of look like this without the stars. It's this sort of motion. You want to get both of your hands up, back behind your head. That's important for this trick, to make it a continuous motion here. The first part of it is the regular around the world. This is with my dominant hand here, going from my right side and bringing it up around my head. And with this trick, once you start the regular around the world, you want to follow closely with your other hand and add a reverse around the world. And to make this trick continuous, once you're done with the regular around the world, you can add an extra beat at the end here to make it kind of a continuous sort of windmill situation. If you're familiar with poi, this is it's called fountains with poi. And this is a great way to spice up your doubles flow. It's one of my favorite doubles tricks. Just to give it another demonstration. So I'm doing a regular around the world with my dominant hand, following closely with a reverse around the world with my non-dominant hand. And then once I finish the regular around the world, I do an extra beat with a forward figure eight, just to get the stars to match up with each other. And then I can bring my dominant hand back around and just keep it going. So here is a right-handed lead with the fountains. And then this is a left-handed lead. So this is what it looks like behind me. You're doing a regular around the world, followed closely by the reverse around the world. A good way to practice this move is to just practice around the world, regular and reverse around the world with both hands. So with my dominant hand, this is regular around the world, and then this is reverse around the world. You want to know how to do regular and reverse around the world with both hands. You want to be very comfortable all four ways to do this trick, to incorporate this into your doubles flow. It feels weird at first to have the second around the world follow closely after your first one. You're going to want to start the second around the world when your first around the world is behind your head like this, kind of as your arm is halfway over your head. So to show it from behind, when my regular around the world is right here behind my head, that's when you start your reverse around the world. So regular, reverse, regular, reverse, regular, reverse. And to go from the other way, here it's regular, reverse, regular, reverse, regular, reverse. And that is the doubles trick coin, the fountain. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment if you have any questions about this trick. I know this is kind of a tricky one. Just make sure to practice around the world, regular and reverse with both hands before attempting this one. Thanks for watching.